With respect to CDS, CDS is there's a bunch of nuggets in there that are quite interesting to us. What people might not realize is the CDS as a depository holds $4 trillion in assets in this marketplace. So think of our market cap as being $2 trillion. There's again a whole another $2 trillion in fixed income assets in that depository and money market assets. Yep. We think there's a host of products and services we can add to that group of services. And what we found as we've started looking at CDS, because peculiar as this transaction's been, we're now doing the due diligence after the close, and that's just what happens when you have a weird transaction like this. We're finding that there's a number of places where CDS and the Toronto Stock Exchange both touch issuers at important points. And there's products and services that we actually didn't even foresee before we did the transaction that we can actually add to the array of products. The array of products. This is a combination that made sense, 10 years ago when it was probably first proposed by Barb Steinmetz. It made sense when Richard Nesbitt wanted to do it. It made sense when I wanted to do it. And I think what we're finding is that there's a heck of a lot we can do. So stage one is integrate these things and figure out, our goal is to be Canada's lead infrastructure provider in Canada's capital markets. Yep. And where we have some skill sets to apply those same skill sets outside Canada and compete internationally. We're good at building derivative trade matching engines. That's why we own an options market in the U.S. and sell our derivative matching engine elsewhere. So there's certain things we can do internationally where there's skill sets. But the primary goal is to be the neutral infrastructure provider for Canada's capital markets. So that's really the first thing I would say is to integrate the institution. And then I think build from there. We certainly believe in lit public markets. I mean, if you wonder what our core philosophy is, it is that lit public markets offer the best trading venue possible, and our commitment is very much to lit public markets where the world can see the orders, where trades are made in a transparent method. As the regulators allow for non-lit markets, we'll be competitive and accommodate it, but it's not where we would want to go. We would want to go to lit public markets.